Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by extracting the real signing material from the installed app so you can compare it to the new package. Connect the device and enable USB debugging. Once connected, use a DB to get the path of the installed APK and pull it to your workstation. Make sure you have keyrule or signer available. This gives you the certificate or signature block to inspect, which is essential because the mismatch happens when the new package uses a different signing identity than the installed one. Now you compare the installed APK's certificate fingerprint with the one in the package you want to install. Use Signer Verify Print Certs or Signer Verify to see fingerprints. If they differ, you must resign the new APK with the original key store so Android accepts it. Once done, run Signer Sign KSUR. Keystore KSKey alias my app. App. Make sure the keystore password and alias match the original. Otherwise, the system will still reject the install due to a signature mismatch. Finish by installing the resigned APK with a DB install R to replace the app while preserving data, or a DB install D if downgrading. If the package still fails, clear caches, uninstall updates for system apps, and retry. Make sure your resigned APK's certificate exactly matches the installed app. Subtle differences cause rejection. One key troubleshooting tip: if install errors persist, run a DB logcat while attempting installation to capture the signature error and confirm the key store fingerprint again, so you can identify whether you resigned with the wrong key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.